Lieutenant Johnson, how do you explain the fire being so big that he's fighting around there? Wouldn't it be something like you could stamp out in a couple of seconds? Fires don't just explode the way they do in the movies.
Well, you know, but the problem is, from the prosecution, we don't have to prove a negative as defense attorneys. They have to prove their case. So the burden's on them. And once they had someone come to court and say, we can't rule out suicide, we can't say for sure that it was homicide, I don't think we, as defense attorneys, have to prove anything after that. And that's reasonable doubt right there. You know, don't look to the defense. Look to the state. If you have questions,
Holly,
look to them.
Help me out here, because it sounds like they're running roughshod over the criminal justice system. This guy is a former CSI investigator, instructor. He's a former sheriff's deputy. He knows how the law works. When he showed up, when he was there that night, the people who showed up were his friends. And we're going to play a clip of him talking to his friends as the house is on fire. Do you think that he thought, I can get away with this because not just he insulted firemen?
He threatened her the night before.
Right,
He said he would destroy her. He threatens her the night before.
Because she had
the
an
marriage
affair.
counselor testifies that he admits to her that he killed her, despite that now him on the stand he says he didn't.
No, she said that. Yes, she said that. She said that. She said, he told me my wife's dead and I killed her. Then he said, well, she committed suicide. But the first words out of his mouth were, I killed her. I'm responsible.
But he's talking to a therapist, Jane.
No,
so,
no, well, that's
but the point is, she is in therapy.
The point is, he confessed.
She is in therapy, okay?
Yeah,
so
well,
now you're getting back into the...
He needs therapy. Hold on, much more in the trial of a handsome ex-cop. They were both in therapy. A handsome ex-cop accused of killing his beautiful young wife, and later, George Zimmerman, Trayvon Martin.